जब भी वो बहस करते वो सुन लेती।
She listened in whenever they discussed. She listened in whenever they discussed.
वो खौफनाक मंजर देखकर भाग गया।
He fled the gruesome sight. He fled the gruesome sight.
इन्होंने अपने एवार्ड्स के बारे में आजिज रहने की कोशिश की।
They tried to be humble about their awards. They tried to be humble about their awards.
दिन गुजरने के साथ साथ हर तालिब इल्म मजीद मायूस नजर आता था।
Each student sounded more dispirited as the day passed. Each student sounded more dispirited as the day passed.
मैं काम से बोझल था।
I was weighed down with work. I was weighed down with work.
वो अपने हम जमात का पता भूल गया।
He forgot the address of his classmate. He forgot the address of his classmate.
इसके दोस्त ने उसे इसकी नाकामी पर तसल्ली दी।
Her friend consoled her on her failure. Her friend consoled her on her failure.
उसके बेटे ने बाल कटवाए हैं।
Her son got a trimmed haircut. Her son got a trimmed haircut.
वो हाल का जायजा लेने चला गया।
He went on surveying the hall. He went on surveying the hall.
इनकी आंखें खौफ और बेएतबारी से फैल गईं।
Their eyes widened with fear and disbelief. Their eyes widened with fear and disbelief.